In this video, I'm going to show how to upgrade a generic, cheap, and flimsy roller outfeed support into something substantially more sturdy that is capable of fine-tune adjustment with these specially designed levelers. And I've had this roller outfeed support for over 15 years, but you can still buy the same exact design at harborfreight.com for about $18. So there's really not that much to this woodshop accessory. It's relatively lightweight. It's got these plastic feet on the bottom that tend to slide easily if the support gets bumped, so it can get out of alignment fairly easily. But it does the job, and for most woodworking applications, such as chop saw, outfeed support, or on the table saw, you don't really need the fine-tuned precision. But in the woodworking application I will be doing today, I will be joining some wide plank walnut to make this large countertop. And so I've got 10-quarter walnut that's almost 10 feet long and weighing upwards of 80 pounds each. So that's quite a lot of weight at the outfeed of the joiner. And if I don't have some kind of support there, it could be enough weight to actually deflect the machine, which would produce an irregular cut, or I could get snipe at the end, or I could lose control of the workpiece altogether. So I have to have something there, but it has to be right in the precise location and level with the floor so that I can really get the best cut possible and get the best glue line on my countertop. So the adjustment knob mechanism that is on the generic model, it works basically to put it in position, but it's not really capable of fine-tuning. It's very difficult to adjust it to get some kind of precision. And so these leveler feet that I'll be adding is going to add that level of precision and the ability to level it with the floor so it doesn't rock around and move, and that'll make a better, more stable outfeed support. In handling these heavy boards, it is a more difficult process. So here we go.